of dream is this? Wako. Guys, there was blood on it. Hey! Hey! Father God, Father, any evil formed against you, coming in form of Wako, I come against you in the name of Jesus. Whether she is the one, Father Lord, I come against them. Everything they plan against me, we go back to sender in the name of Jesus. Back to sender in the name of Jesus. Father, no weapon fashioned against me shall prosper. Father, you said that the blood of your precious one shall not be seen on the highway. Hey! No, my blood shall never be found on the highway. Father Lord, even as you have revealed it, everything has been cancelled. The enemy's plan, their plan has been cancelled because it has been revealed. Because it has been revealed, it shall not come to pass in the name of Jesus. Thank you, Father, for answering my prayer. For I have prayed in Jesus' name.
want to be watching us again. Cheru no na their own. Look, we should wait for me. Why did you not come to watch us?
I'm sorry, it escaped my mind.
So I escaped your mind. Okay? See, I hope you've not started seeing another woman in this village. I'll kill somebody.
Chidima, it's not always like that now.
So what is it?
I'm sorry, I'm just thinking about a lot of things.
Like what?
I have a lot of things on my head.
Like Guinea-Kwano, a lot of things.
Chidima, the new Yam Festival is approaching and I've not bought anything for myself and for you.
You don't have to worry yourself about that. Inugo, you don't have to worry. God will take control. So where are you going?
I'm going to see my friend Odinaka.
Okay, no problems. I'll see you later. I want you to be happy. Oh? Inugo.
Dubeze, my sister. What could be the problem? You've not been yourself since you came to the palace this morning.
Honestly, Igwe, I feel like going back to the US. I don't want anything to happen to me in this village.
Like what?
The dream I had last night still frightens me.
Dream, you say?
Yes. I had a dream where I was fighting with Obuako. Obuako threw me to the ground and I hit my head on the stone. Blood started gushing out. It was so real and very frightening. I'm scared.
Are you still having a face-off with her after the Elder Council came into the matter?
She has sworn to deal with me, but I pity her because I'm not the cause of her suffering. I'm not the cause of her condition.
How?
Poverty. Poverty is a curse. And I think that's what is disturbing her.
I don't think it has anything to do with poverty. Anyone who is bad no matter the amount of money you give such a person.
Igwe, please, let me be on my way. Let me just go.
What about my niece, your daughter?
I was actually making plans for her to come during this New Yam Festival. But I'm having a doubt. I'm beginning to,
Why? Come on, let her come home. Let her come play with her female friends and others.
I don't know. Oh, it's okay. Let me be on my own.
Let her be, okay?
It's okay. Let me just go.
All right.
Mama, are you not tired? I think we should just go and continue some other time.
We'll go very soon. Oh, we'll soon go. Don't worry. Just farm more.
Mama, I see that I have dancing rehearsal this evening.
Hey, didn't mind no. All this one they're using to talk cho. Should I use it to achieve something?
Mama, but you know that this thing is not my my thing. If it's hunting now, go jaja. I'm tired. My hand is even paining me.
I go up there and get tired.
Oh, New Yam Festival is almost the time. And the Son of Man have no kobo. I don't even know how to go about it. Who's the Son of Man? You? Odinaka, you complain too much. You talk too much. You complain too much. Why? Please drink. Let us go. I don't understand. How do you mean I talk too much?
Of course you talk too much. You complain too much. You have parents. You have your cousins. They give you money. They take care of you. They buy clothes for you. They give you food to eat. What about me? I have nobody. I don't have parents. I'm the one taking care of myself. I've finished my mechanic lessons. I don't even have money to open my own workshop. Sometimes I feel like you say these things to mock me. Why?
Why do you have to talk like this? How can I mock my friend? See, listen. Whatever happens, God knows the best. I can't mock you for any reason.
That's true. Whatever happens, God knows best. Well, I've accepted it that way. I've accepted life that way.
Well, you don't need to talk like that. Well, madam, please get us more drink.
Which madam? Drink. I'm done drinking. Finish your drink, let's go. I have a lot to do at home.
You mean you don't want to drink? I'll pay. Just take something. I'll pay.
Please finish your drink, let us go. I'm tired.
Okay, madam, come and collect your money. How much?
Onaga, how are you?
I'm fine. You believe that this girl, this humble, to follow her mother to the farm, to do odd jobs? Obina, you're very lucky. You're very lucky. Considering the fact that she knows you do not have 1 cent, 1 naira, talk more of a good job. Some people are good.
You called that you wanted to see me.
So as you can see, my wife, the Lolo, has gone for a mugwa.
Yes.
And the festival is fast approaching. So I want you to go to the market with one of the maids and the guards to go buy some stuff for the feast. Why?
Is there nobody else to go to the market and buy food stuff for you? I'm not used to that kind of life anymore.
Come on, who do I send? Now, okay, who is available now? Nobody.
Go and start walking up and down in that market. What and what will I even buy?
I may need to get a list from the cook. Dad. Tell the cook to bring the list. Just tell him the list. You understand? You're doing it for your brother. You're doing it for your brother.
we are not used to that. I'm not used to that kind of life anymore.
Sure.
In the US, you just go to the supermarket and pick whatever you want without stress. Very easy. I can start walking up and down in that market under the scorching sun. Not much. Anything for you, my brother.
Of course.
Anything for you.
Of course. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So when did you say your daughter will be coming back?
Well, she's supposed to come in tomorrow, but when I spoke to her last night, she said her flight was rescheduled for next week. Okay. So we're expecting her next week.
Alright.
But I still have my reservations. I still have concern for the height of insecurity and hatred in this country. It's giving me cause for concern, especially this land. I don't want anything to happen to my only child. You know, she's all I've got.
I know. She'll be fine. She will.
I just don't want anything to happen to her. You know, she's everything now. She's my son, she's my daughter, she's my husband. I don't want anything to happen to her, so I'm just bothered.
Nothing will happen to her. Okay?
Ha! The two love best. I throw a salute. Obinna, I know you always stand. You dance. Yes, Chidema. You try your best to show Obinna love. But Obinna, I know him. He can't ever have anything to offer you. Yes, whatever thing the both of you stand here and discussing, even dancing, is not mean it will be meaningless. Man talking, you are dancing like this. When I will come here, I saw you dancing like this, dancing like this. Why will you be dancing for Obinna?
Must you disturb me? Leave us.
I'm okay. I'm coming. Aha! Yeah.
Oh, what is wrong with you now? What is it? What is it?
Please, what is all this now?
Now, both of you can sit down. Stop.
Okay, you want to hear my voice? What do you want?
I brought shit so that both of you can sit down.
We don't want to sit down.
We don't want to sit.
Because of dance. Obinna, when other men are out there making money, you are here playing a one if what time
Other ABC go. ABC.
This just man go. ABC go. Even though I will go, I want my fellow man of that.
Please leave him. He will faint.
Obinna, you are not your work.
Forgive me. What is this?
What have I done to you that you have sworn to kill me?
Is it because of that you want to jam me with this Ngwangwa Motoga? Alekirija, that's why you want to jam me with it? Because you see, I don't have anyone. Poor widow going on her own on this village road. You won't even allow me to walk freely.
What, are you jealous of my car?
Jealous of what? Is it part of car? Have you seen any good car that looks like this? Car change to go to color.
Oh, when Kimwe.
I am better not to have than to have this type.
Obaku, don't change the topic.
What topic?
I asked you a question. What have I done to you that you have sworn to kill me? I want an answer.
Or the best, you that threatened to kill me is not guilty. It is me that is walking innocently on the road that wants to kill you. Leave me alone. Can't I live in peace again after everything you have done to me? Leave a poor widow like me alone to manage my life. Ayong your brayo. Please.
Poor widow. Obaku, we are both widows. So what are you talking about?
Is your own widowship part of widowhood? You are driving a car, am I driving any? But you see, everything you have done to me, God will judge you. It will haunt you to the last day of your life in this world. No problem. But you can never go do.
Customer, this your color bokwa fire. It's so fine and I'm making it fast for you. So that you can go. Are you okay?
Chidema, please come, let me see you.
Okay, I'm coming. Few minutes. Customer, let me just see you. Oh, I will not take much of your time. I'm rushing for you. Few minutes. Obi, what is it? Why is your face like that? You don't look happy. What is the problem? Can you up one? What is it?
You remember my friend from Jagu village?
Yes, I do.
He asked me to come to his village to take some money. So I can buy those tools I told you about. And one day he started telling me stories. Can you imagine?
What did he say? Maybe he doesn't have money now.
So why did he ask me to come? Knowing the distance from here to his house. I trekked under the sun.
See, my love, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, and I understand how frustrating this kind of thing can be. But I have told you this thing before. Stop begging people for money. They can only promise, they will not give you. They will promise. When it's time to fulfill that promise, they will tell you one cock and bull story. Stop begging people for money.
So if I don't hustle to get money, how am I supposed to buy the tools? And how am I supposed to pay your bride price?
My darling, you don't have to worry. I'm waiting for you. Whenever you get money, you can come and pay my bride price. I will not follow another man. I've given you my word. But I don't want you to act in a desperate manner. Biko, it's even you I'm scared of.
So something tells me somebody will steal you away from me.
Nobody. I promise you, nobody. It's even you I'm scared of.
Scared of me how?
Because I don't want all those girls to come now and snatch you from me. Promise me now.
Aye! Aye!
You know what to...
You're back.
You go and upload those things to me.
Police side.
Wait.
Sorry about that.
Going to the market these days is like going for war. Where is this country going to?
It will stop one day, okay?
See when? When is it going to stop?
Well.
Anyway, let's forget about that. Anyway, I'll soon be leaving. Let me just go home and rest.
Before you leave, can I ask you a question?
Is everything alright?
This is my wife. The Lola of this kingdom. She has refused to come back from the Omogo. And she went. Can you tell me why she'll still be there by this time? Are you laughing at me?
You know you got me really scared. Like, I thought something happened. She has not refused to come back. Going for Mugo is every woman's dream. She's supposed to stay there for at least 1 month. She has not even stayed 2 weeks. And you're already complaining. Igwe. Do you know that when I will go for a desert of Mugo, you look for rope and tie my waist before you drag me back. Because I will stay. I will stay. It's every woman's dream.
But must it be 1 month? If not for the maidens, the guards, this palace would have been like a desert to me. And the privilege of having my beloved sister, who will always come to make things better for me.
Is it because I was married out? This is my home. And I cannot abandon it. The palace is my home.
Yeah, thanks about that.
Don't worry, I know you are missing her. She will soon be back. She will soon be back. Right, and I'm here.
Thank you. Well, I'll manage.
Someone is at the gate and he says he wants to see you.
Who is he?
He didn't tell me his name.
Did you ask? Injuria? Don't know you are supposed to what? It's horrible.
Tell him to come in. It's not really easy for me.
Okay, I'm here for you now.
Thank you. But just now you open the gate and drive out. Yeah.
I will come again. Even if I drive out, I will come again tomorrow.
Yes.
I will come. I'm very soon at this.
Hey! Kai! Today is a beautiful day. Hey! Didn't mean you. Chidimma! How many times did I call you?
Mama, why are you screaming my name like that?
Why am I screaming your name like that? Me scream your name? How many times have I warned you about this your hunting hobby? How can a beautiful young girl like you derive so much passion in hunting, leaving your hairdressing salon meant for beautiful girls like you? Are you a man?
Mama, I can't remember telling you that I've left my salon. This does not stop me from doing my work in my shop. Okay. I only have passion for hunting. But each time I hunt, you'll be complaining. But when I'm done cooking this pepper soup, you're the first person to enjoy it.
I will not eat again. I will not eat again. You will go back to your hairdressing salon where you must have lost all your customers.
Mama, I won't lose them. I already told them the time I'll be coming out. They are waiting for me. I will not lose them. Few hours of hunting will not make me lose my customers. It's not, as a matter of fact, it's not even something I do every day.
Really? Only see, no onye baba. So they will all sit and wait for you after eating this rubbish. When you come, you do their hair. Mom, if you ask me, I will tell you I don't like this hunting. Yes! That was exactly what killed your father. And I don't want to lose you because you're the only one I have. And that made me to marry a poor man. Nene baby. Is that what you want for yourself? Is that what you want for yourself?
Mama, please, enough now. Enough. Hunting made you marry a poor man. You that did not hunt, why did you not make money?
Okay?
Mama, please.
Mama, no problem.
Thank you, I've heard you.
Mama,
please, I beg you, please.
Then you not cook it with my pot.
I'll turn this tray pan to pot.
Oh my goodness.
Who am I seeing?
Wait, it's me. It's me, Adeze.
You go so big.
I know, right? Igwe.
You're welcome, you're welcome.
Thank you so much. You look amazing.
Thank you. Where did you come?
Yeah, I came in yesterday.
Whoa.
Yes.
So how's it going?
It's fine. It's so good to see you. Thank you, Uncle. Thank you.
You grow so big
I
and
know,
beautiful.
the young shall grow. And you're aging so well as well.
Thank you, Dad.
Please, where's Lolo? Is she in?
Lolo is not in.
Okay.
She went for Mugo.
Oh.
Yeah. Ijeoma put to bed.
Awesome! Oh my goodness, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Where are these maids? I wanted to give you something to bring.
Are you kidding me? This is my home. I don't need a maid to show me around. I'll make myself comfortable. Alright, so I'll join you shortly. Let me just relax and get something to eat as well. Wow, it feels so good to be back. I'm so happy. Wow, this is amazing.
Welcome. Come on, customer. Oh, we are ready to serve you better. Dimma Saloon.
Look at her.
Hello.
Jesus! I'm so happy to see you. Yeah?
When did you come
I
back?
came back last night. I asked after you and then they said you have a salon here, so I decided to come and say hello to my best friend forever.
Friends for life.
Friends for life, darling.
So you still remember our slogan?
I mean, why not? Why not? I remember you.
Good to see you. Good to see
So
you.
good to see
If
you.
you're gonna be named Maria,
No,
come.
You're glowing.
Happy good yes, and I'm come and sit down. Hope you don't mind.
Let's go inside, Joe.
Come on, you wait.
Hello.
Come and sit down. Good to see you. After how many years?
you.
And now she's back. That I will enjoy life. I'm telling you the truth.
She'll be giving you money.
Now she'll be giving me money. Oh, you need to see her car. You would think he's a man that is driving that car. Ababa Jeep.
Ababa Jeep. Ha. Wow. She's very humble.
Yes.
She's
Just
very,
like
very
me.
Just like who?
Just like me now. Are we not best friends? We are like that. We are humble. Or is it because I don't have money? Okay, you don't appreciate my humility because it's a
Okay. But it's okay. I'll meet her one day.
Of course you
I'll meet her
will.
one day.
Of course, I can't wait to introduce you guys.
I mean, I'm very impressed. Some people will not even remember you live in this village because they travel to the US. They think you're not in the same class with them.
Alright.
But the fact that she came back and checked on, no.
That's impressive, Okria.
So my darling, I have actually been round the world. Believe me when I say so. I've been everywhere. Germany, New York, Spain, UK, USA. I have been everywhere. I've seen it all.
Yeah, I'm so happy.
Do you even know that I was by the president's sickbed when he was in London?
Are you serious?
I paid him a visit.
You saw the president. Did he see you?
Listen, I was right by his bedside.
You touched him?
Of course, I paid him a visit.
Ne, igagokwa far no wow.
Yes, so
Ne, you've really enjoyed this life. I'm so happy for you.
you can say that again.
Oh, but is it true that UK and London are different countries?
It's just a misrepresentation actually. There is the United Kingdom, which is the UK. Okay, so London is a country under the United Kingdom. But of course, we have the Queen sitting at the helm of affairs. Yes, she's in control of all the countries under the United Kingdom.
So I want to know, did you go to Belgium? That place now, they are importing big motor. Any car that comes to Nigeria, they'll tell me it's from Belgium. Belgium car, Belgium car.
See,
did you see?
listen, you know, people just say things without even knowing. I mean, Belgium cars are not necessarily cars from Belgium. Okay? Imported, fairly used cars from any country of the world is what we call Belgium cars. But we just label all cars as Belgium cars. It doesn't mean they're all coming from Belgium. I mean, we have Belgium cars that's fairly used cars now, from Germany, from Spain, even the UK. I mean, America. You can import.
Are you serious?
Yes. Hi. So don't listen to people, okay?
Nah, these people are here. Okay, so there is Belgian car in America, there is Belgian car in China, there is everywhere there is Belgian car.
Exactly my point. Any imported, fairly used car, regardless of the country it's coming from, is what we call Belgian cars here. It doesn't mean it's from Belgium alone.
Okay. Ne, you see why it's good to follow somebody mouse, follow who know road, because with all the stories you've told me now, in my head, I now know everywhere. I know that every second-hand motor is Belgium. Also, why they're from China or Belgium.
Exactly.
Even America, Belgium.
Exactly.
So I'll be bragging now. I'll be telling people that I know things. Because aside the fact that I go to my shop or probably go for my hunting, I don't even leave this village.
You mean you're still into hunting?
I hunt now.
Really?
Steady. Don't worry, I'm give pepper soup.
Thank you so much. You know what, my darling friend? One of these days, I am going to travel around the world with you. Oh, yes.
Are you serious?
You deserve to see the world through your own lens, my darling.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You take me?
Of course.
Obodo,
why not?
Oh, friends for life.
Friends for
life. Hi. Name Obigu Obi Sari. Thank you. You see how humble you are? Burunde Jiro Shishikita, Ekola, Kaneko, Uka carry everywhere.
You're so funny.
Thank you for not forgetting how we started this friendship.
Good friends are not easy to come by.
You are one.
You are my friend.
You are one. Ebo mother. Let me start going. Oh?
Okay, let me walk you.
Are you? Come on, it's me.
I know. And where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
Mama, I went to see Adeze, my friend.
Eh? Your friend? A local village girl went to see her overseas girl. Eh? You went to see her to tell you all the lies about her life, how she has traveled around the world. She painted all the fake pictures with her fake smile, Kandiocha. And you came back grinning from ear to ear. Ibo yonyo bodo yibo. Opiano?
Mama, Izuoko, I don't know why you're sounding like this. But the truth is that Adeze and I have been friends for a very long time. What the guy bido dibanamna? And if you notice, I'm the only person she visits in this village.
And that's an honor. Because you're the only one she comes to visit in this village. I want that friendship to stop. That relationship should stop. Let her not come here again, and you don't go looking for her again. You are not of the same class.
But she's not.
She's up there. You are down here.
But she's not complaining, Mama. She's very comfortable with me being her friend. As a matter of fact, she loves me like that. Mama, I don't know the problem you're having with Adeze's mother, but you should leave us and let us out of it. Biko, allow Adeze and I to enjoy our friendship. Allow us to enjoy our friendship because okay for all year money and I got you take a cow. I got you to yaka. This is friendship for life. We are friends for life.
Friendship for life. Friends forever. Friends up and down. Friendship goal. That has always been your slogan. Man, I can be home with that again. That friendship has to stop. Her mother is my enemy. Her daughter should also be your enemy.
Mantra.
Yes, all by force. We have to be enemies. Haven't I told you what transpired between her mother and I? Haven't I told you countless times how her mother, or the best in her greed, when that man that married her was coming after me, if she told the man all sort of lies against me. She collaborated the man, owing to the fact that she's from a royal family, and I gave her the opportunity to take the man wholesale. Adeze was born into a rich family because her mother greedily and like Oniru Abobo. The man married her and me miserably and ended with a hunter. That's how a hunter became your father. And you're satisfied with it in America. Shouldn't you be ashamed of yourself? That relationship has to stop forthwith. If you love me, you love my dog. Her mother does not love me, therefore she does not love you. I don't love her daughter. They should stay away from us. Okay? Let me see you there again.
It's getting late. We should close for the day, or you want to sleep here?
I just don't feel like going to the house. I don't like the way my mother talks to me sometimes. This world is just a wicked place.
What happened this time?
Please tell me, am I not old enough to make decisions for myself? My mother wants to decide who should and who should not be my friend. Or the man.
I hope your mother is not referring to me. Yeah? In that case, let's keep seeing here in your shop instead of coming to your house.
Don't talk like that, it's not you. You know how much she likes you. She's referring to my other friend.
Your other friend? Who could that be?
My friend I told you about now that came back from abroad. Daisy.
Oh, okay.
She doesn't even want to see her. She doesn't want her to come close to me. She doesn't want me to go to their house and all of that. And we'll be friends for a very long time.
But why? Huh?
Thing is really making me angry. Let me just pack so we can. I'll just be walking small like snail. I'll get home maybe in the night. Let me just take this to the side.
So we are starting now. Yes. Eyes locked. So you look at me. Anything I do, you do it. Aya, let's go.
Chidima, I can't believe you can still dance like this, just like when we were in school.
I got the one I can't
Wow, you surprised me, oh. Hey God, I really wish I can still dance like you. I wish I can join you girls.
Sadly, today is the last of our rehearsal.
Oh,
I will teach you. Let me drive with you, come on.
Of course, just do what I'm doing.
Hey!
Oh my God, stop! Calm down, calm down.
I almost hit him.
These people that drive this car don't even care about people's life.
Jesus. I will not drive because
No, you have to just take it.
No,
I'll teach you. Okay, you know what?
I won't even touch it again.
It's not that bad. Just watch me drive, okay? Just watch me.
I'm watching
Watch
you.
me drive. You learn it. It's not even difficult.
Do you know we almost hit that guy?
Yeah, that was because you were not prepared for the speed. It was too fast.
So if I thought that they don't give my way now, I could have been a dead man by now. In fact, I'm not going to die. They are my people that will die because I will live and testify tomorrow. See, let me tell you, you think that you can use me and conclude your mission, right? So that you can say that I have entered and you use me and count among the people that you've killed before. It's not possible. In fact, I'm going to descend on you. I like go to this because when I descend on you, you will die and join your ancestors.
You have really enjoyed this life. This wine tastes so great and I'm sure it must be very expensive.
Well, I'm happy you like it. It's relatively expensive, but trust me, it's affordable. See, I know that each time I come to your house, you entertain me with nice bush meat and palm wine. But trust me when I say this brand is special.
I know, Nem. You don't need to tell me. It tastes special, self, Nimonum. See, when next I'm coming here, I will bring enough abacha. I'll bring nkwobi, everything, so that we can use this wine to enjoy it.
Oh, wow.
I hope you still have it inside.
Don't worry, I have lots more. See, I can't wait to actually combine this wine with that delicacy. I know it's going to be mad combination.
Enjoyment, you no go killing person.
What is going on here?
Mama, good afternoon. You are drinking wine. Good afternoon.
You don't give me that. You don't come here to drink. Is this place a lounge?
Mommy, why? Why are you doing this? Why are you embarrassing her? I mean, this is so uncivil. How can you even do this?
You want her to come to our house to drink, so that when she lives here and her stomach hurts, who will she call? Her enemy, of course.
Mommy, I don't understand what you're talking about. Chidima is not my enemy. She's my friend.
Her mother is my enemy. We are sworn enemies. She hates me to date. So how do you define enemy?
Mom, what has that got to do with anything? How you talking like this in this 21st century? You expect me to transfer aggressions from you onto her because you don't like her mother? What are you even talking about? This is my friend, okay? Listen to me. Chidima, you are my friend. I'm really so sorry about all of this. Sorry about this embarrassment, okay? It's on me. Blame me for it. You're my friend and nothing can change that.
Adeze, you're my friend.
Yes.
I love you so much. Regardless of whatever issue your mother is having with my own mother, I will always love you as my bosom friend. Friends forever.
Best friends for life. That's what you are and that's what you remain. I'm really sorry. Mom, you have to stop this. You have to stop this. With all your years and travels, your exposure, you're acting this way. You surprise me, Mom.
Adeze, you are the ignorant one here. I'm sure Chidima here knows what I'm talking about. Your mother must have told you about it.
Mama, I don't know what fit you have with my mother, but I like you. I see you as my mother too, regardless. And I will always like you.
Chidima, I'm really so sorry.
Just let her go.
Mommy, this is uncivil. How can you even embarrass her like that? How can you do that? This is wrong!
Not because of her mom. She's my friend, alright? She is my friend and nothing can change that.
The more they try to stop me.
Uchi, everything. You should know I'm coming from hunting now. I went for hunting.
Chidema, you see this hunting, eh? You have to choose between hunting and me. Yes, it is my problem. I've told you. I've told you several times. Leave this hunting. It's not for women. It's for men. Eh? You can't be a woman and you're hunting, carrying animals. Please.
But who says women don't hunt? Eh? What a man can do, a woman can do even better. Yeah. See now, is it not obvious that a woman can hunt? Eh?
Let me tell you, eh? I finished learning my mechanic work, and very soon I'll raise money to start my own workshop. Please, listen to me. Whatever I make from that workshop will be enough to take care of both of us.
My love, we are sorry. Ndo,